Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create Rar and Zip archives on your Motorola Edge 30 using app called Rar. So first of all, you need to download and install this app, and we've shown you how to do that in our other video. Now locate the files that you want to pack, and mine are located in DCAIM and then camera. There's a few pictures which we can pack. Now select each file that you want to pack with this button. After that, click on this plus button. Here you can customize how archiving will go, so we can change the name of our archive. Let's call it pictures. Change the extension for this archive from Rar to Zip. Set the password for the archive. I'm gonna do it with 123. If you're not sure if you typed it incorrectly, you can show the password or encrypt the file names. After that, click OK. You can enable to delete files after archiving or create solid archives. After all is set, you can move to advanced settings or more options. Here you can go for the comments as well. Leave any comment about this archive. After that, click OK. And here our Rar file will be created. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.